In this video, I'm going to show you how to de-ice your frozen windshield in seconds without scratching. As you can see, I have a very thick layer of ice on my windshield. From this, there's no need to waste time with a scraper or buy some expensive deicer from the auto store. Instead, we can make our own DIY deicer spray. You will need an empty spray bottle, water, and a bottle of rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol is an effective deicer because it has a much lower freezing point than just plain water. How we mix this is 2 parts of rubbing alcohol to 1 part water. In this case, I did 1 cup of rubbing alcohol and a half a cup of water. Put the lid on, give it a good shake, and you're ready to go. Now, go to your car and spray the entire windshield with your spray, making sure you are covering the entire surface area. Take your time and be liberal with it. After a few seconds, you'll notice the ice slowly liquefy and begin to melt away. As you can see now, I can write little messages with my finger. After 30 seconds or so, you can turn on your windshield wipers and you will notice the majority of the ice will be gone. Be sure to also use your homemade deicer on the driver's side window, the passenger, and the back windows. And since this concoction won't freeze, store it in your car and pull it out when you need it. If you are wondering what happens when you rub a banana on a shoe, click the video on the screen now, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.